How to fix Snapchat streaks not updating. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another video. In today's video, I will be teaching you how you can fix Snapchat streaks not updating. So let's begin. So first, you will need to check if your internet connection is good, and after you've done that, head over to your Google Play Store. Then search for Snapchat and make sure that you're updated to the latest version. After you've updated your app to the latest version, you can restart both the app, open up the app, swipe up from the bottom and remove it from the background. And after you've done that, restart your device as well. So press on the volume up button and power button together and you'll find the restart option. Tap on it and restart your device. So after that, check if that fixes your problem. If it does not fix your problem, what you might have to do is you might have to try clearing out your Snapchat's cache. So long press on it, tap on App Info, head over to Storage and Cache, then tap on Clear Cache. So after you've done that, check if it now solved your issue. If not, if your streak was lost, you may be able to restore it as well. But if not, you might have to contact your Snapchat support. To do that, head over to Snapchat, tap on your Bitmoji on the top left, tap on your settings icon on the top right. From here, you will find multiple options. Scroll down, you'll find support and safety. From here, head over to I've lost my Snap streak, and simply just report to your issue. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.